Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I'm back with another New Year's Eve paint party painting. This will be number 7 and number 8. Number 7 is a flip cup, and it was Alan Welch's turn to paint, so he chose the colors of gold, Iridescent White, black, Cobalt Blue, and Dixoxazine Purple. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol and just a little bit of water for consistency. I did not use silicone in my paint, but I did coat my cup with Treadmill oil just to help the paint release. Pouring on a 9x12 canvas. And we're going to tilt a little bit. And I don't tilt this fast. I just sped up the video so you wouldn't have to wait so long to see the finished results. I'm really loving the purple and the blue mixed in with that gold. Looks like royalty. Maybe that's what I'll name this one. Okay, we're going to give it a little bit of heat in hopes that some cells will come up and allow the purple to show a little bit more. And I'm letting it rest for just a moment. Not seeing any more cells yet, so I'm going to do a little bit more heat. And then in a minute, I'll bring you up for a close-up view. Really love these colors together. So let's move right on to number 8. Same paints, just we're going to do a dirty pour, and those colors were gold, Iridescent White, black, Cobalt Blue, and Dixoxazine Purple. I'm already getting some really crazy cells with the black and the gold, but I'm not too crazy about all that blue. I feel like it needs to be broken up somehow. And it still is just too much blue for me, so I'm going to mix up a little bit more paint with the black and gold and white and the Dixoxazine Purple, and see if I can break up some of that blue, because I really like what's going on with the black and gold. So I'm just going to pour it over the top of this. Don't want to pour too much over the top of the black and gold cells it's already forming. And then we'll just kind of stretch this around a little bit and see if we can get a little bit of the blue off and showcase more of the gold and black. While I'm doing this, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. Greatly appreciated. If you have enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Click the bell and you'll receive future notifications when I upload other videos. Leave me comments if you have any questions. I will be glad to answer them, and I certainly appreciate it. I'm liking this much better. Looks really good with those cells popping and the stretch of the gold and white. I even like the blue. So here's a final view of it. Gonna bring you in close. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Love the cells going on. Bye-bye.